Hello and welcome to class. Do we know what the word of the day is? Yes, a garden. Let's go to the library so we can find a book about gardens. We have made it to the library. Gather around. It's time for a story. Today's book is In My Garden, pop-up book. The kitten is playing with dandelions. The seeds fly away on the breeze. When she jumps, they flutter up to her face, making her little nose sneeze. Achoo! The pretty robin looks after the chicks, keeping them safe and warm. Now stay inside the nest, they are told, away from the wind and storm. When the snail and the slug run a race, it's a very slow race indeed, for they always stop at the cabbage patch for a rest and a very good feed. I enjoy boiled eggs for breakfast with a slice of buttered toast, but the blackbird says, no thank you, it's worms I like the most. The busy bees are flying past and humming a beautiful tune. They flutter their wings and sing to the flowers each afternoon. La 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 la. The butterfly rests on the garden wall. Then she opens her wonderful wings. Shimmering patterns dance and glow like a magical fairy things. Look at the beautiful butterfly wings. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The ants are marching along, carrying leaves much bigger than they are. They must be ever so strong. Hee, 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 hee. The puppy wants to bury a bone and runs under the garden chair. He pushes his nose under flowers and pots with his tail wagging up in the air. Gotta find it. Frog wants to win a medal and be the next Olympic star, so he jumps among the lily pads. He says, that was my best jump thus far. Make the frog jump. Rabbit. Rabbit. Oh, that's a far jump. Rabbit. Clever Miss Spider sits and spins her web of pretty lace. Do come to lunch, she tells the fly, but first wash your hands and face. The end. I hope you all enjoyed today's story. Until next time, bye.